What's up, guys? Back at it again with another video, and this time, as you can tell by the title, it's over the Yeezy 500s and whether or not this RESHOEVN8R can revive them. Because I wear mine every single day and I work 5 days a week. Psych! So they get their fair use and of damage done to them. So hopefully I can revive them, get them back to new and smelling back to new, because these, y'all smell them. Ooh. Yeah, I know. Don't cop the yellow ones, only cop the Desert Rats or the black ones, cause those are the only like decent or good looking ones. The rest of them are just, they need to stop. And I'm going to be using the sneaker laundry detergent kit from RESHOEVN8R plus this sneaker solution, gets focus, from RESHOEVN8R. And this is actually pretty small, and like after each use you have to use a lot of it. So if you plan on buying some shoe cleaner from RESHOEVN8R, make sure that you might need a couple of those, because this is how many ounces? 4 ounces. So if you need to clean like 5-10 pairs of sneakers, make sure you get some extra cleaner. It's called just Advanced Sneaker Solution. But the sneaker laundry detergent, it's supposed to last a long time. It's only like 1/5 of the way, but I've already washed probably like 5 pairs of sneakers in the laundry with them. So I got a lot to go in it. As you can see, it's still pretty much at the top. Actually, I barely use any of it. Yeah, that's gonna last a while. But like all together, like I got brushes, shoe trees, the detergent, the sneaker cleaning solution, 3 brushes. There's a brush for suede, like from mesh, and then the all-purpose brush. I don't even know, but you'll see on the screen. And oh yeah, and don't forget a lint roller, because with like this kind of material, there's just like a lot of random like dirt and stuff, like dust that just collects onto it. And I've never used RESHOEVN8R on a suede shoe, and this suede is actually a good suede, like the materials on this shoe. So hopefully they don't get messed up. And I've never seen a video on YouTube, I didn't even try looking it up, of these getting clean. So I don't know how these would do, because I'm gonna be putting these in the washing machine. And suede with water, it's not supposed to be a good combo, but we'll see if RESHOEVN8R can pull through. Let's get into it. And then after I clean the shoe, I'm gonna be doing an on feed, so stay tuned. Hopefully we can revive them, because I miss them. They need surgery. Yeezy 2024.
I have decided in 2020
eyes roll
to run for president.
So does that mean Kim Kardashian would be the first lady?
Boy, if you don't get... Oh, let's get into it. Alright, so now you want to make sure you have your setup all set up. Got your towel, got your water, got your sauce, and oh, it's tipping. Oh, we'll just leave that there, let it marinate. You got your artillery, your 3 brushes, your soft, your stiff, your all-purpose. Oh, okay, a little something for everybody. And then you got your lint roller. Oh, I just used the lint roller on the shoes, and as you can see, look, this is why you do it before. It's kind of hard for the camera to pick up, but there's just a lot of little dots and like dust I just got off. Like, that's why you always lint roll your shoes before you clean them. And then look at these dirty soles. The Yeezy fading away. Oh man, yeah, that we can't help that. We got the shoes. After the lint roller. Low-key still look the same, but hey, we're not even halfway there. Oh my, we're not even halfway yet. Never mind. Never mind.
This one's for you. This one's for you.
A few moments later.
I think I made it.
What's up, guys? I'm back. Y'all didn't even know I was gone, but I left so I could get a lighter so that I could show y'all this sneaker life hack tip. I never seen this on YouTube. I never checked either. So it's just a little local sneaker hack. So you're gonna use the lighter to burn like any stray like threads and stuff. Let me see if I could find some on the shoe. Like usually whenever you have a shoe for a while, then it'll begin to just like the threads and stuff will kind of just come out. But some of them are like pretty like hard to get out, so then you want to use a lighter and burn it next to it like this one. Oh, here we go. Uh-oh. We got an example. Okay, we got a volunteer. Y'all see? Wait, where is it? Wait. Okay, it's right here. Oh, see, y'all see it? Because the black background, but that little thread, that doesn't come out. But look. Wait, where'd it go? Okay, yeah, y'all see it? I just burnt it. Boom. I burnt it on camera. So yeah, there you go. That's that. And don't be scared to set your shoe on fire, because if you do, send me a picture and then I'll replace your shoe free. Just let me know. So yeah, insurance. And another thing, look, smell it. There you go. Yeah. It actually doesn't smell too bad. Like it kind of has like a weird like, I don't know, just a regular like soapy like, I don't know, kind of reminds me like a car wash smell or something. But that's how it smells. It's like a, I guess 6 out of 10 on the smell. Look. See, then you scrub it in circular motions. So that way you really get the bubbles going. Full effect. That circular motion gets the bubbles going. We foaming up the whole shoe. Let's get a little more of that secret sauce. Boom. Oh, make sure you get like the edges of the shoes. That's like missing the back of your ear. Don't miss it. Whew. All right, so I cleaned 1 out of 2 shoes. Let's see if y'all can tell. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's the right shoe, this one that I cleaned. It just looks smoother, more buttery now that I cleaned it. More butter. And then I cleaned 1 of each of the insoles, and this you can obviously tell. And you still kind of have the imprints on this one, just because I guess I'm heavy, I don't know, heavy foot, I don't know. Guess you can't get that out. But this one, still in deep. So I'm about to clean the rest of the other half of the shoes, and then we're gonna throw them in the laundry. Alright, so now I'm gonna put these and the little sneaker laundry detergent bag, throw them in the washer, and then I'll show y'all the after end results, and then I'll let y'all know the plan. So I ended up just putting the insoles like this, so that way like the part that like doesn't really matter is touching the sole of the shoe, but it's still getting cleaned, as you can see. Did the same on the other side. I think it's a pretty effective method. I gotta show y'all this. All right, another cool thing about this is y'all see how right there, how it's empty? So then with this, you turn it down. I honestly don't remember how it works. Oh, it's already filled up. But like basically they have this little system right here. So that way you turn it upside down and then it like automatically goes down. And all of this is all the solution you need. So that's whenever you take off the cap, then you just pour it in and then boom. It already does it for you. Or it gives you the correct measurement of the detergent that you need for the shoe. So that's a pretty neat little thing. They even have like the measurements on the side. Must cop. For sneaker like detergent, like sneaker cleaner, RESHOEVN8R, it's looking good. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. We'll see if the suede is messed up after, or if RESHOEVN8R pulls through. I'm hoping it does. Hoping it does. So you want to make sure you just drop it in there, and then we're gonna set that down. We're gonna screw off the top. I already have the measurement, so all I have to do is tilt it over, and then it'll automatically go in. Easy. Here we go. Oh, too much sauce. Oh. See, look, you can just turn it all the way upside down because the system. So yeah, whenever you have it in there, nice and neat, you just close it, and then you're gonna make sure your settings, make sure you set it on cold. Wait, let me make sure I have it set on cold. All right, so you want to make sure you have it set on cold, and then delicates, so that way it's real gentle with the materials, and it doesn't like wash away or like use warm water to shrink the shoe. So cold water, delicates. I'm praying that this shoe is revived. As you can see, they're definitely a lot cleaner. And they're gonna look even more clean once I let them dry, so I'm gonna let them dry overnight. Get that focus, let them dry overnight, and then I'm gonna get it on feet. I'm gonna let them dry overnight, probably get the on feet, and then I will upload it the next day. And I forgot to burn this piece of thread off, as you can see. Get the focus. Alright, get on my knees for this one. No homo. Alright, focus. Let it burn. Look. Rub it out. Alright, what's up guys? I'm back. It's the next day. So I've let these dry for about a day now. Focus. And that little dark spot, that's still kind of like a wet spot, but this is how they're looking. Pretty clean, pretty clean. And then here's the soles. They're better, but like they could be all the way off and scrubbed. If I would have scrubbed more, then the soles would have been better. And it also kind of seems like I messed up the shoe, but then again, it might need to dry a little more because they're still kind of damp. But like on this way, you can't really see it on camera, but like there's like some like weird like smear looking spots. I don't know, maybe it's just soap and I just need to run it through the washer again, but it needed the wash. It still looks good, so let's get into this on feet.
I felt when I went fishing. So much diamonds on my bust now. Ooh, fuck, what's the time?
Oh, yeah.
Me and smoke, perp, sipping, train.
My niggas with the game plan. And shout outs on my niggas with escape plans. 20 bands, rain dance. We can either rain check or we tired off, yeah. I just cut the dirty stove and piled off, yeah. Working me.
Walk into the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I gotta open, it's just a ghost. Plug is in the jacket, got me going crazy. Rolling, got me stargazing. Sipping on perfume like the bar, baby.
What the? Cheese it! Fuck! What the? What? Cheese it! Cheese it!
There we go. Alright, if you enjoyed that video, be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.